project. I am shooting my airsoft gun, and you're gonna see the line the BB travels. I may have to highlight it when I do it. I don't know, I have to see. To change it, I have like a little hop up. It just puts a spin on the BB. A spin on the BB so it spins, and then it goes up or down or straight. I think it's straight right now. I'm gonna do it on full auto so you can probably see it better. So, I'm gonna turn up the hop up now, and it should spin up higher. Oh, it's down. Now I turn it up. And now they're just going right above the target.
Okay.
And I have to shoot it down more because when I put the spin on the BB, it spins and now it's going like this and going up like an angle line. Now this is gonna be spinning downwards or going flat. Probably go down a little. Now the BB's not getting touched at all with the hop up, so it's just going straight and going down a little. I'm just gonna shoot like a hair above the target.
All right. I don't think we're gonna see it.
Now you can see the BB. If you could probably, you may be able to see it, but after it, there's like a little fence back there. It drops right before it, and it just drops. Now I'm going to turn up the hop up. Rewind my mag and see it go up. Probably the hop thing is probably on a little high, so if you didn't, you probably may be able to see it. But it goes out and then it goes straight up because of the hop up. And this is just showing what the hop up does to your BBs when you're going on the straight line. They're peaking up. They're going straight up. No, they're going like straight and then they go up. Kind of, if you were like, I would think it's like a 50-degree angle. So I'm doing my line project again. This time, hopefully I can see better this time. Last time I wasn't very good quality. Right here is a little wheel to spin. And it spins up to adjust the hop up just a little bit closer to show. So I showed you last time, but that's a little bit more of a close-up.
Don't move it. There we go.
So right there, just a hop up and just getting a little bit closer up. Close-up of it going to see the BB.
Okay, that's
Gonna wind up a little bit before though. Going auto to see, because generally you can see the line better with auto. And then I go back to safety just one more time. I'm gonna adjust my hop up a little, so I believe it's going up. I don't know. And we're gonna see if you can see it, the ball changing a little. Because we're at such a close distance, I don't know if you can. I can. I doubt you can.
Okay, try it again. Do it again. Do it again. Because you can see that that's going down now.
Yeah, it's... And I'm gonna go up, go back, and see if it'll spin upwards. Oh, a little too much. Yep, and now I can shoot.
Do it again.
I need to wind my mag a little.
Go on.
1 second. This
And-
speed a little. When I'm aiming now, you could see it going up. It's actually in the sights because before I was aiming and it was going down. It wasn't in the actual place where I was aiming through the sights. The lines have a lot behind it in Airsoft.